Hi everybody, I am Yati Tiwari. I will teach you acid, base and salt today. I hope you will enjoy this. We taste so many different things in our daily life. Some of them are bitter, some of them are sour, and some of them are salty. I will show you some different object. You have to tell me about their taste only. I have in my hand crispy, yummy chips. All the kids like it. Tell me about its taste. It is salty in taste. I have lemon pickle in my hand. Tell me about its taste. It is sour in taste. I have soap kit in my hand. It is bitter in taste. According to taste, we have categorized the substance into three categories. First one is acid, second one is base, and third one is salt. Acid is sour in taste, base is bitter in taste, and salt is of course salty in taste. What is now question arises in our mind, what is an acid? Acid are substances which are sour in taste. The word acid has been derived from a Latin word acidus. Acid always release H positive ion whenever we dissolve it in water. What is base? Base are the bitter substance, and whenever we dissolve base into water, it will always release OH negative ion, hydroxyl ion. What are the example of the base? Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide are some example of the base. Salt, what is salt? Salt are salty in taste. What are the example of a salt other than our common salt that we use in our house, that we use in our food stuff? Are copper sulfate and AgNO3, and then NaCl that we often use in our house also. What are example of give me some example of a acid. Some example of acid are sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid, and also H2CO3, that is carbonic acid, and also nitric acid HNO3. Some example of the acid is also there. Now let us study more about the acid. We can categorize acid into two categories. First one is organic acid, and second one is inorganic acid. What are organic acid? Organic acid are those acid which we obtain from plants and animals. uh, just like uh, just like I have in my hand tomato. What kind of acid present in it? In the tomato, oxalic acid is present. I have apple in my hand. What kind of acid is present in it? That in apple, malic acid is present. The things, all both the things we obtain from the plants, and curd that we oftenly eat. We obtain curds from animals. And what kind of acid present in the curd? Lactic acid is present in the curd. What is inorganic acid? Inorganic acid are those acid which we obtain from the mineral of the earth, just like H2S, H2SO3, SO4, and HNO3 that we oftenly synthesize are prepared in the laboratory. Is an example of the inorganic acid. Let us talk about the some chemical properties of the acid that we observed. Let us discuss about it. First property, its action on the litmus paper. What is litmus paper? Litmus paper is a kind of a filter paper that we use in the laboratory, and we deep it into a solution that we obtain from the litmus plant. That is kind of a dye, and we call it litmus solution. Litmus paper is of two kinds that we use in the laboratory. First one is a red litmus paper, and second one is a blue litmus paper. For the acid, for testing acid, we use blue litmus paper. Just see here. In a beaker, we will take the solution of the H2SO4, that is a kind of an acid, and when we will dip this blue litmus paper into the red one, it will into the acidic solution, it will turn into the red, and it will show the solution is acid. Here I will tell you one trick to memorize it. Bombay Agra Road means blue litmus paper will turn into the red whenever you will dip this litmus paper into the acidic solution. Its action on the methyl orange. Whenever you will add the methyl orange into the solution, you will find out that the acid solution will turn into the red one, and whenever you will put some methyl orange into the into basic solution, it show its color changing by the into yellow color, and it show it is a basic solution. You will memorize it by bi. Bi means basic. Ye means yellow. Means whenever you will add the methyl orange into the base, it will turn into the yellow. Bi. And trick to memorize the acidic solution, mar means methyl orange, if you have M stand for the methyl, and methyl, and it will turn into the red. Acid, A for acid and R for red one. So then here we have discussed two kind of a property. Whenever you will its action on the methyl, its action on the litmus paper, it will turn acid will turn blue litmus paper into the red one. And when we're talking about the methyl orange, acid will turn methyl orange solution into red one. Let us discuss its third property. Acid are corrosive in nature. We always store acid into a glass container. We never store it into the metallic container, because it's always attack on the metal and it will destroy the container. And fourth properties, whenever the acid react with base, it will always form a salt solution, and we call this reaction is neutralization reaction, that we have properly we are discussing. Our fifth property, whenever acid react with metal, it will always displace the metallic. It will always displace the hydrogen of the acid, and remaining part will attach with the metal part, and it will also form the water with it, and it will form salt with evaporation of water. Thank you very much.